Today's repair comes from the Hebridean Princess, a small luxury cruise ship operated by Hebridean Island Cruises. Famously associated with Queen Elizabeth II, who chartered it for private family holidays in 2006, her 80th birthday, and again in 2010. We start the repair process by stripping the pump to its bare parts. At this stage, our repair engineers carefully inspect the parts for wear and tear, ensuring any damage is identified and addressed. Here we can see our engineer removing the old paint to inspect the condition of the body and covers. The necessary parts are then machined using Albany's CNC and manual machines. These are given to the fitter, ready for reassembly. Once rebuilt, the pump undergoes rigorous testing to confirm its performance, reliability, and efficiency. Finally, it receives a fresh coat of paint, ready to return to service, as strong and dependable as ever. Ready for another 52 years of work. Benefits include improved efficiency, lifespan and performance. 1-year warranty. For more information on the services we offer, contact our office.